Hi guys, Tiffany here from Kate Spade doing a little unboxing. Are you ready? First, subscribe. Hello, come on, let's go. Do this, take care of your business. Have you taken care of it? All right, we're ready to go. Ready? B-O-X-I-N-G, we're gonna do a little unboxing, yeah. Okay? I love a big box, right? Something really juicy's inside. One of my all-time favorites, guys. You are getting a treat today. This is the lovely Toujours. I love this bag for so many different reasons. First of all, look how beautiful and ladylike she is. Amazing little feet. And I just want to point out to you that these feet, I mean, they're a little bit low embedded in the bag, so they don't stick out too much. It's just simply perfect. In addition to that, what I also love about this bag is it has amazing capacity, and it's going to come in 2 sizes. You should start shopping now. I'm telling you now, this is an everyday bag. These little straps actually come off. And guys, I got to tell you, hopefully we'll give you a nice close-up shot. This is like a brushed brass, okay? It's not super shiny, but the color of it is just so rich. Great capacity here, 2 pockets, right? Then you have your interior pocket, which snaps open. Then you also have your center pocket, which is actually zip. And then you have, you know, your girl loves a little back pocket. And what I love also is there's a little dip that is a design from a plunging neckline of the dress. It's one of Nicola's all-time fave little design. But you ready? Let's say, you know, you get a little to-go bag at lunch. It's not a problem. Hello, she unbuckles. And then now you're really maximizing your capacity. And it's so simple. You can just rebuckle her. First of all, you want to tuck back her little arms, and then you're just going to very gently click it right in. And guys, don't overthink it, because people will be like, you don't need to do that. It just goes right open, and very quick little twist, and it's right back to where she started. She's delish, Dolly Dish.